Nikolaev Zoo is the favorite place for rest among citizens and is one of the best sights and objects in the city. In 2021, the zoo celebrates its 120th anniversary. Founded in 1901 as a private collection of Nikolai Leontovich, the zoo now has more than 500 animal species. The zoo conducts excursions, lectures and various holidays. This is the place where children and adults learn to love nature. Shady alleys, magical landscape compositions, an arboretum with more than 200 exotic plants create an atmosphere of coziness and comfort. The zoo is the single organism that functions as a whole. Animals are its heart, children and their parents are its soul, and they keep unforgettable impressions and emotions for their entire life. Giant and small ones, all animals are interesting in their own way. 3-ton giant amphibian hippos take water treatment in a summer pool. The zoo is being renewed annually. New enclosures are being built, old ones are being reconstructed. Good example is the modernized contemporary complex for land giants, elephants and giraffes. An exposition of domestic farm animals is none less exotic. It's called the grandfather's hut. It's always crowded and lively because it's the only place where you can pet and feed animals. Kangaroo Manor and Meerkat Estate has 5 species of small animals of different classes and families. These are marsupial jumpers, Bennett's tree kangaroos, Patagonian cavy, small Chinese deer moonjacks, and solar angels from South Africa, meerkats. The enclosure of Beast Island exposition contains the largest cats from different parts of the world: African lions, Siberian tigers, jaguars from South Africa. Here you can really feel the strength and greatness of these unique predators of wildlife. There is another island in the zoo called the Chimpanzee Island. The behavior of the chimpanzee family reflects human relationships. That is why these monkeys are so interesting to watch. Not to mention, the chimpanzee is the closest human relative in the animal world. Nikolaev Zoo contains more than 100 species of birds. New modern spacious enclosures with conditions close to natural have been created for them. River otters also have a new enclosure equipped with a pond, a waterfall and a system of branched tunnels. One of the rarest species in the zoo is the Amur leopard. Our zoo is a member of European Conservation Program of this species in captive. Polar bears are certainly the highlight of Nikolaev Zoo. They are the largest land predators on our planet. This is the only pair of white polar giants in Ukraine. Relatives of rhinos and horses, tapirs, one of the oldest mammals on our planet. Large and powerful bulls, bisons and buffaloes may reach a height of 2 meters and may weigh up to 1 ton. The bison is the only European bull which has survived to the present day. This powerful and beautiful animal personified the force of nature and had traditional cultural significance. It was worshipped as one of the symbols of native land. The largest flightless birds in the world are African ostriches. Their height reaches almost 3 meters and their weight up to 160 kilograms. Guanaco and alpaca are South African relatives of camels. These graceful animals are very hardy, tolerate both cold and heat, and may not eat and drink for a long time. Mini bulls Mishmitakin are like a cross between a cow and a goat. This species was discovered recently in the year of 1850 and is the national symbol of Bhutan. Siberian ibexes, mark horse and Barbary sheep jump along rocks made closely to real-life environment. Near ponds you can find shy and slender European fallow deers. Rare parrot David's deer, also known as milu-milu, as well as Pezhvarski horse. A few meters away there's a huge enclosure with a natural landscape, where dangerous predators striped hyenas live. Porcupines are friendly and curious animals despite of their deterrent appearance. Their coat is very diverse, sharp and long needles, elastic bristles, hard and soft fewer hairs. There are 30,000 different types of needles to be found on their body. Masked night robbers raccoons are owners of very impressive appearance. They are smart, sociable, and therefore the audience love them. A fierce predator, a faithful member of his pack, wolf, is one of the most mysterious animals of the planet. It's been a character for many legends and stories for ages. Common eland is the largest of the antelopes. Its weight may reach up to 1 ton. Currently, antelopes can be found only in Africa and South Asia. These are animals with graceful body and horns pointed up and back. Zebra. One of the species that could not be tamed. Why zebras have stripes? That is their natural camouflage. You will find yourself in a special relaxed atmosphere, near the zoo's water bodies. White and black swans which slowly glide over the water surface. The flock of pink pelicans wait for the tasty fish. Long-legged pink and red flamingos frozen gracefully on the lawn. The unique museum of Nikolaev Zoo preserves exhibits from the period of its 120-year history. This is currently the only museum of its kind among the zoos of Ukraine. From a bird's-eye view, we discover the Nikolaev Zoo to be truly a green oasis of wildlife in the center of big city.